Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViewSnow, and today I am doing another Android tutorial video, and this is number 7. Now in this video we're going to get into how to make a random number generator and how to associate it with a string. We are going on the previous videos which build up this simple application just to show you how to do things, and that way you can play around with it and you can get a good feel. This one actually turned out to be a lot more intensive than I originally thought. I thought I was just going to do Hello World, but I figured why not do something a little bit more advanced, and that way you got a taste of things. But anyways, if you haven't seen my previous video, then I should have a card on the top right by now, and select that. And it's very important for you to check that out to get to this point, because there's a lot that we covered. But if you know how to do this and you just want to skip forward, then feel free to click the card that's up now. If the card's not there, then that means that video has not came out yet. So as far as this goes, I'm assuming that you're just going off my previous video. In case you're not, let's go to the Java page, and what we need to do is we need to make a string array down here. So I want to have it where this changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that, drag and drop down here, something simple as that. And or what I can do is drag and drop up here, but basically make sure that this is it's below that. I'm going to give a couple spaces, and from here what we're going to do is tell it to do a string array by doing the these things, and we're going to have brackets. Let's erase that, and then have a bracket down here, a close bracket. So what's going to happen is basically it's going to look at each one of these things, each one of these lines as a integer. So what we're going to do is let's do 3 things we want to add. So let's say and make sure you put a comma on each one of these, except for the last one. And let's say TRH for TechViewSnow, and let's say me. And you can do how many you want, but just keep that one in mind. So from here, what we need to do is let's just keep that for now, is do a string school quotations, close that out, and put a S on the end. If it doesn't already have an S, put an S on the end of this so it matches up. And what we're going to do from here is let's do random do comments on those. And what we're going to do here is simply do random generator. equals new random, and close that out. int random number equals random generator dot next int, close that out, and then do schools dot or equals school and do a that do a random number. Sorry about that, I misspelled that. But from here, what we want to do is count how many. So we got 3, so we can put 3 right here. If we put 4 in the line it goes to is 4, then it will crash the app. So we want 3. But let's say that we add or take away from here. What we need to do is, because that's a huge dependency on this being the exact number, or like we can put 2 and it's just never going to hit the third one. But because we might add or take away from that in the future, and we can just focus on this area, what we can do is say school dot length, and what this says is how many this has. Just use that, and that's that. So it makes it easy. So let's run this real quick and see if it works. And let's press that. So it's done that. And I forgot to tell it to not take the button away. So what we're going to do is comment this out. And that makes it where that we don't have to retype it if we want it back, but it basically makes it go away and not be used. And now that we got it back up, let's click that, and we can see that we get a random assortment. Obviously, the more that you have, the more things that will show up, but it's just picking a random 1, 2, or 3. So yeah, that was that. And if you do have any questions, then let me know. I have no problem trying to help you out as best as I can. And feel free to let me know if I'm going too fast, too slow, or whatever. I'm recording this stuff way ahead of time, but let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this one, please like, please subscribe, and please share. And please feel free to tell others about this one. Again, share, it's a big thing for me. But I'll see you in the next video.